Good afternoon and welcome to our new session for the review on ICT Specialist Proficiency Examination. This afternoon, we are going to discuss about what is an integrated development environment or an IDE. So an IDE or an integrated development environment is a software application that can provide a comprehensive set of tools and features to facilitate software development. It typically includes a code editor, compiler or interpreter, debugger, and other utilities that streamline the programming process. So usually it plays a crucial role in programming for the following reasons. One is for code editing. So IDEs usually offer a dedicated code editor with features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and formatting. These features are enhanced productivity by making code easier to read, write, and maintain. So code editors often provide automatic error checking and suggestions, helping to catch coding mistakes early on. Another reason it is important because of build and compilation. So IDEs integrate with compilers or interpreters, allowing developers to build and execute their code within the same environment. So it is also important because of debugging. Debugging tools are core components of IDEs. They enable developers to set breakpoints, step through code execution, inspect variables, and analyze program behavior. Another reason why is it important because of project management. So IDEs assist in organizing and managing projects. They provide features like project templates, file navigation, version control integration, and build automation. And we have also another reason because of the integrated tools and plugins. In an IDE, often offer a range of additional tools and plugins that enhance productivity and efficiency. And lastly, because of collaboration, many IDEs provide collaboration features, enabling multiple developers to work together on the same project simultaneously. So this can include real-time code sharing, collaborative debugging, and integrated communication tools. So in summary, IDEs are essential in programming as they provide a unified and streamlined environment for coding, debugging, and project management. They enhance productivity, improve code quality, and simplify the development process by offering a wide range of tools and features tailored to the specific needs of programmers. So meaning ito yung IDE yung gagamitin natin in order for us to code our solution to a certain problem for a specific programming language. And usually this is used also for building and compiling a program. So there are several integrated development environments or IDE available for C or C++ programming. So if we choose to use C or C++ programming as our application programming for ICT Specialist Proficiency Hands-on Examination, ano yung mga pwedeng yung gamitin ng mga IDEs for coding your program? So one of the most popular is Visual Studio. Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft, it is powerful and feature-rich IDE that supports C or C++ development. So it offers comprehensive set of tools including a code editor, debugger, project management, and more. So Visual Studio is available in different editions, including a free community edition for individual developers. So aside from Visual Studio, we have also Eclipse. Eclipse is a popular open source IDE that supports C or C++ development through its C or C++ development tools or CDT plugin. So it provides a robust set of features such as code editing, debugging, version control integration, and project management. So Eclipse is highly customizable and supports cross-platform development. Another important IDE used by programmers in coding C or C++ is the Code Blocks. So Code Blocks is a free and open source IDE specially designed for C or C++ development. It is lightweight, easy to use, making it suitable for beginners. So mas magaan tong Code Blocks. So Code Blocks supports multiple compilers and offers features like code highlighting, code completion, and built-in debugger. So another type of IDE that is most popular is CLion. CLion is a commercial IDE developed by JetBrains. It provides advanced tools and features for C or C++ development, including intelligent code completion, so refactoring, code analysis, and debugging capabilities. So CLion is known for its user-friendly interface and strong integration with the CMake build system. We have also Xcode. So Xcode is an IDE developed by Apple and primarily used by macOS and iOS development. It includes support for C or C++ programming along with other languages like Objective-C and Swift. Xcode offers a range of tools for building, debugging, and profiling C or C++ applications on Apple platforms. And lastly, we have the DevC. DevC is an open source IDE specifically designed for Windows. It provides a simple and straightforward development environment for C or C++ programming. So DevC offers features such as code editing, debugging, and integrated tools for managing projects and libraries. In ICT Specialist Proficiency Hands-on Examination, usually the DICT, the venue, provides the DevC++ IDE for the actual exam. So ito yung ginagamit nila for the environment na integrated development environment na gamitin nyo for the hands-on. So as much as possible, you have to be familiar with this or try using DevC++ so that during the actual hands-on exam, at least use na kayo paggamit ng DevC++. So as part of the continuation, we are going to discuss on how to download and install C and C++ integrated environment or IDE for Windows, which is the DevC++. So paano ba? Steps to download and install the DevC++. So first, you have to visit the official website in order to install DevC++. We need to first download it. To download DevC++, please refer to its official website. So what's the official website? So ito yung official website niya. You can download, you can click this one. Then we have here the site SourceForge. So it is developed by Orwell DevCPT. No? So after that, you download the installer on the DevC++ project page. Click on the download button to download the installer. Make sure to download the latest stable release of DevC++. So go back to this site. So we have to click this part or download. No? So what's the latest version now? Okay, latest update is 2016-11-29. So click download button. So downloading. Okay, so after downloading, after clicking the download, you are required to, where are you going to install this file? So you can look for your directory. So from here, I'm going to install it in my folder for installers. Okay. Yung file is ano lang, minimal lang yung content niya. So, madali lang itong i-download. Once you are already downloaded, you can run the installer. Once the installer file is downloaded, locate it in your downloads folder or wherever you save it. Then double click on the installer file to run. So we have here, let's check the folder of the installer. So show folder. So we have here the installer for the DevC++. So lib, okay, we have here now. So this one. Okay, we can click this one. Now the installer is ready. Click OK. Then I agree. Then next, install. So once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Make sure to launch DevC++ option is check and click on the finish. Okay, run DevC++, then click finish. So it will then execute the DevC++ program. And now once we already installed and opened or launched the DevC++ program, we are now ready to encode our first program in C. So we can click File, New, then Source File, then File, Save As, a file name niya. We'll save it under the folder of the ICT name, then type hello world2.c. So it's a C program, so world.c ang extension. So you can zoom out, backslash, that is a remark. Okay, hello world.c, include stdio.h. Then we have end main bucket. So we have here comment end of main. So printf is a statement to print or display content in the console. Hello world \n denotes to create a new line. Printf, another line, welcome to C programming in the ICT proficiency exam. \n simple. So printf, then return 0. Okay, save your file, Control S or file, then save, then go to execute, then run and compile or press F11. So if the program is successfully run, so this is now the output in the console. Once you execute your program and then you do some debugging, you press any key to exit or close the program. And then if you have any additional info, then you can go to execute again and press F11 or F10. Okay, that's it for. We already done with the installation of the DevC++ IDE as well as written our first C programming language code. So I do hope that this tutorial helps you on how to download and install an integrated development environment IDE for Windows using DevC++. So again, take time to download and practice coding your source code. If you are going to use C or C++ as your programming language option during the hands-on program. So thank you so much for watching this video. Uh, I do hope that you were able to practice your coding in DevC++ and be able to perform the requirements na kakailanganin for the programming. Looking forward that you were able to pass the ICT Specialist Proficiency Examination. Good luck and God bless you all.